Blogistic Theme helps to illustrate your distinguished story through its interactive and stylish page layouts. Adorned with multiple eye-catching demos, Blogistic Theme allows you to set up your blog in minimal steps by importing these unique demos. Not only is it beautiful, it's immensely easy to customize too. You will find SEO options, theme settings, menu settings, mobile view options, design controls, and all in one central place, like Customizer. I'm going to show you the customization of different options in the Customizer across several videos. Today, I'm going to cover the customization of header and site identity. Without further ado, let's get into it. Go to top header, show top header, top header is now enabled. You can hide date and time. But we are going to show it in this video. Show or hide social icons. Social icons hover animation. Show search option. Choose section background color. You can select border bottom. Choose daytime color. Background color. Edit opacity. Finally, you can select social icons, initial and hover colors. Moving on to theme header. General settings. There are 3 header layouts. This is header layout 2. You can make your header section sticky and reorder header elements. Background color, box shadow, border bottom, edit vertical padding, you can also add margin bottom. Next, menu options. Main menu typography, open sans font family, font weight. You can also edit font size, line height, letter spacing, and select letter case. Likewise, you can also edit typography for submenu, initial and hover text color, background color, color for the active menu item. As for submenu, you can edit text color, background color, and box shadow. Go to General tab, select Alignment, there are 5 hover effects. This is effect 2. In menu cutoff setting, you can enable menu cutoff and select the number. You can also add menu cutoff text. Third, go to search, enable search option, select search type default or live search, select icon size, select number of posts to display, view all button text. You can also show or hide post image and post date. In design settings, select initial and hover icon colors. Model background color. You can also edit opacity. View all button text color and view all button background color. In custom button, you can add button label, select button icon, add redirect URL, choose where to open the page, select icon size, icon distance, placement of the icon, and animation. In design tab, edit typography, select text color, icon color, and background color. You can also select border type, add border radius, box shadow, and padding. Now let's move on to theme mode. You can choose dark icon, light icon, set dark mode as default, select icon size, select dark icon color and light icon color. Back of canvas. Currently canvas menu is empty. Go to manage canvas menu widget and start adding widgets to show content. You can select canvas position, determine canvas width. In design tab, select canvas menu icon color, background color, opacity, you can also select canvas border and box shadow. Now to site identity. Select site logo, skip cropping. You can also add a different site logo for dark mode. Determine logo width, and site icon. In site title and tagline, delete title. Now publish it. I'm going to be back with a new video soon, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any questions or need any help, please visit blazethemes.com and contact our support team to get free support.